from Weymouth. This is the site of the first cycle scheme in Dorset as part of active travel funding. Stretching along Dorchester Road for 1 mile each way, this scheme introduces the Orca MKII with its enhanced features for visibility and recessed markings and the all-new reflective beading. We also have the Gislon 1 pole cones providing vertical measures to highlight the route. This scheme offers a cost-effective way of separating cyclists from traffic, and due to the residential properties and access required, the Orcas were chosen to provide segregation without causing obstruction. So let's take a look at the product and the scheme.